गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मैं दिव्यांशु शुक्ला दोबारा से ब्रेन बिल्डर कोचिंग सेंटर ऑफलाइन सेंटर पर मैं अवेलेबल हूँ। लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोगों ने बात की थी डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम में। हम लोगों ने पहले ऑब्जेक्ट टेबल को कवर किया था एंड एक्चुअली वी सीन हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट टेबल यूजिंग बोथ मेथड्स। मेथड मीन्स ऑलरेडी वी डिस्कस दैट with first one will be design view and second one will be our wizard view. In both methods we covered that how we can create a table with this design view and wizard view. Okay, see, I'm not going to waste the time. Okay, I am just one topic by topic, line by line I will cover, and we will do practical also, so you will understand easily. And if you will understand concept will be clear, then you can write your own answer. Okay, the person who are going to check your copy in the board examination, they are not asking about the bookish language and all. They want only and only concept, and if your concept is clear, you are writing in your language, it is fine. Okay, so now our next topic will be this one. Unit 3 will be retrieving data using queries. Okay, we are going to cover only queries. For SQL we will do a separate video because SQL will be a big chapter. एक अच्छा खासा टॉपिक है हमारे पास, तो हमें उसको कवर करने के लिए हम सेपरेट वीडियो का यूज़ करेंगे। बट हम इस वीडियो में क्या कवर करने वाले हैं, हाउ वी कैन यूज़ क्वेरी। क्वेरी ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज़ इन टू टाइप, अगेन डिज़ाइन व्यू एंड विजार्ड व्यू। डिज़ाइन व्यू और विजार्ड व्यू में डिफरेंस क्या है हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया हुआ है। डिज़ाइन व्यू मीन्स वी हैव वन विंडो, इन दैट वी हैव टू चूज ऑप्शन एंड in the last we have to click on the final button and our query will be or table will be created. But wizard means a step by step process. Okay, now sorry, now query. First thing we have to understand what is query. Already we discussed query means how you are going to fetch information for you from your database. Means we know we have 4 objects in our DBMS. First one will be table, second one is query, third one is report, and fourth one will be form. Okay, so table means how with the help of table we can understand how we can create table, how we can create a database. Okay, it is school database, business or whatever it is, it up to you. Okay, but टेबल के मीडियम से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, हम अपने डेटाबेस को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। नाउ सेकंड टॉपिक विल बी, हमने डेटाबेस तैयार कर लिया अपना, हम उस डेटाबेस से इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे फेच करेंगे। ठीक है, हमारा काम सिर्फ डेटाबेस बनाना नहीं है, हमें उसमें से इंफॉर्मेशन भी इन फ्यूचर अगर काम पड़ा तो हमें उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन भी देनी पड़ेगी। तो उसके लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे क्वेरी मेथड का। ओके, नाउ फॉर द क्वेरी, ओके विल गो वेट। Okay, so directly I'm just going with you with the practicals. Okay, so we will start with the practical first. See, introduction we already did, but one time you can also do SQL command and all, it is given, but no need of this. For SQL command we will have one separate video. In the next video you will understand how much SQL commands and how many types we have. See, here it is mentioned only DML and DML, but actually we have DCL and many more. So not like that, but first we are going to cover how we can use query in both view. Okay, first one will be design and second one will be our wizard view. Okay, so directly I'm sharing my screen. Which application we are going to use for this database management system? We will use LibreOffice. Okay, so I'm opening the LibreOffice. Yesterday we in last video we already created one database, so this time we will open an existing database file. This one option we will use. If you are coming the first time, then you can use create a new database, otherwise we already one created the file, so now this time we will go with the open an existing database file. So what was the name? Demo 123। हम लोगों ने एक डेटाबेस बनाया था जिसका नाम था Demo 123, और हम लोगों ने 2 टेबल्स बनाई थी, एक का नाम था टेबल 123 एंड सेकेंड वन इज टेबल 456। सो हम इस Demo 123 को ओपन करते हैं। सी, मैं टेबल पर जा रहा हूँ, you can see easily these two table 1 to 3 and table 4 5 6. It is already displayed here. Now in this video we are going to cover the query topic. Query means how you are going to fetch information from your database. So second object. Now first one will be a design view. Again we'll click on this, and now this type of interface we have. Now see, first window it is displayed add table or query. Means if you create a table, yes, we have table 4 5 6, table 1 2 3, both are displayed here. But if you just click on this query, so if already you created some queries, those also you all queries will be visible here. Means you want to apply query on the queries, that time you can use this option. But we didn't create a query, so we are going to use this table only. Okay, then after we will see this interface also. First one we will go for this one. Okay, so table, which one? 4 5 6. 4 5 6 are employee one, and table 1 2 3 for our brain builder coaching center. Okay, so we will go for the brain builder one. Add. Okay, now delete this. Now after clicking on this add, this type of interface you will get here. Again we have here field, alias, table, sort, visible, function. Okay, creation and many more condition. If you want to do, you want to apply, you can write here. First one is field. Field means how many fields you have. Already it will display. Okay, serial number, student name, marks, address. For example, I want serial number. So if you want to see only serial number of your database, then you can click on this button, or you can press shortcut key F5. So I just click. So I did only 3 entries in this, so I am having all three serial number in it. You can see easily, you can see the output. Okay, now next one will be, for example, I'm writing here student name. Okay, marks, address. Table will be table 1 2 3. Okay, I think it is visible. Okay, now next option we have sort. Sort means ascending or descending order. If you want then you can change it, this one also. We will see. First we will get this all output. Now see, because I selected all fields, serial number, student name, marks and address, so I am having whole database now. If any of you don't want, just don't mention it here, you will get. Okay, now for example, sorting, ascending or descending order. In the serial number I am applying descending, and click F5 again. Now you can see the difference. Now serial number is coming what? In 3 2 1. The first it is coming less 1 2 3 in the ascending order, but here in this short feed I just selected descending. So now our output is changed now, and in the descending order I am getting our output. Now like this. So अभी ये समझ में आ रहा है हो क्या रहा है. With the help of query and the design view, we are fetching information from our database. देखो हमारी टेबल में सिर्फ 3 ही एंट्रीज थी, इसीलिए सिर्फ 3 ही हमें एंट्रीज यहाँ पे मिल रही हैं. बट अगर हमारे डेटाबेस में ये 100 या 1000 या 1 लाख एंट्रीज हैं, देन ऑल्सो वी कैन गेट दिस. एंड स्पेसिफिक चीज़ों से आप पता कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमारे राम सर ने बोला कि नहीं हमें सिर्फ स्टूडेंट नेम चाहिए, मैं यहाँ सीरियल नंबर को नहीं सिलेक्ट करूँगा. ठीक है, ओके. मुझे एड्रेस नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ स्टूडेंट नेम एंड मार्क्स चाहिए. देन okay, now run this. See, now I'm having only student name and marks. Now you want to apply some condition on marks. For example, if you want to do apply function, means you want to sum, maximum, minimum, count a, whatever function we have, Excel or Calc, all function are available here. For example, average, count, maximum, minimum, sum, every and sum, even database function also are available. Means dsum, dmax, remain, all are here. If you want, you can apply. Okay, so but at this time we don't want. But I would just want to apply some conditions, so marks will be greater than 90. Then run this. Now greater than 90, I am having only one entry. Okay, one more thing I can apply, greater and equal to or equal to greater than, then run this. Okay, see, now two entries I have whose marks is 90 and more than 90. Okay, so like this you can apply more than one condition. Okay, it is what it is query with the help of design view. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, now just if you want to save, just save this one like query 1. I'm saving here, close this one. Again create query using wizard. Now wizard, we already know that it is a step by step process. See how many steps we have, around 8 steps we have in this wizard view. Okay, first one we have to select the table. Okay, टेबल मीन्स हाँ, जैसे हम लोग क्वेरी में कर रहे थे वो हमसे पूछ रहा था, वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास एक ऑप्शन है कि आपको टेबल से चाहिए या ऑलरेडी अगर आपने कोई क्वेरी क्रिएट कर रखी है तो आप क्वेरी से भी इन्फॉर्मेशन फेच कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अभी क्वेरी 1 सेलेक्टेड है तो उसमें हमारे पास क्या था, सिर्फ स्टूडेंट नेम और मार्क्स जो हमने लास्ट में सेव किया. ठीक है, तो वो दोनों फील्ड्स यहाँ पर अवेलेबल हैं. बट अभी एज आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज दिस वन टू टेबल 1 2 3 और टेबल 4 5 6, whatever field I have in that particular table, all fields will be available here. Then you have to select them, whatever field you want, you have to shift it in the right way. See, we are going to do how we will do. For example, I am changing it to table 1 2 3. In table 1 2 3 I have serial number, student name, marks and address. Okay, if I am changing it to table 4 5 6, I am having employee ID, first name, address and city. So we will go for the table 1 2 3. Then all fields you want, yes, all fields I want. अगर आपको सिर्फ एक या दो चाहिए then you can go for the 1 or 2. जो भी आप select करना चाहते हो easily you can do. For example, see, I am selecting in this serial number. Now this option is available, you can move it. Then again one by one you can move it. Go on the next button. Now sorting order, specific field. For example, serial number, if you want to apply on the serial number ascending or descending, that order you can choose from this field. Okay, then for student name you want to apply again ascending or descending, that means हर एक फील्ड पे अगर आपको शॉर्टिंग अप्लाई करनी है you can apply with this second step. Okay, so for this one I am just applying ascending order to the serial number, then I am moving forward. Next one is search condition, match all of the following or match any of the following, means we can put conditions of each and every field. For example, I will put on the marks is equal to, no, greater is equal or greater than, how, value will be 90. Now second field is also available. If you want to put more condition then you can just select the field, set the condition and give the value. Okay, now अभी क्या है, दो ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे, मैच ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, और अगर इनमें से कोई भी एक सही है, कोई भी एक कंडीशन ट्रू हो रही है, देन यू गेट द आउटपुट. मीन्स समझ रहे हो आप, नहीं समझ रहे हो? मीन्स कंडीशन क्या है, जितनी भी कंडीशंस आप यहाँ पे अप्लाई करने वाले हो अपने डेटाबेस पे, अगर आप चाहते हो सारी कंडीशन अगर सही हैं, देन ओनली यू वांट योर आउटपुट, देन यू कैन चूज मैच ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. बट अगर इनमें से कोई एक भी कंडीशन ट्रू होती है, देन आई वांट माय आउटपुट, देन यू कैन चूज द सेकंड ऑप्शन, मैच एनी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. ओके, सो इट इज़ अप टू यू. हमें क्या चाहिए, मैच ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, या अगर कोई एक भी सही हो रही है तो आप क्लिक करो. बट वी अप्लाइड ओनली वन कंडीशन, सो कोई मैटर ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट वन, डिटेल क्वेरी और समरी क्वेरी. सो आई वांट डिटेल क्वेरी. ओके, सो ऑल रिकॉर्ड्स, और जो रिकॉर्ड सिर्फ जिन पे फंक्शंस लगे हुए सिर्फ वही चाहिए, देन यू कैन गो फॉर द सेकेंड वन. बट आई वांट डिटेल क्वेरी. क्लिक ऑन द नेक्स्ट वन. नाउ LES मीन्स अपडेटेड नेम, मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल serial number, student name, marks, address. Okay, so for the student name I am changing it as only name, not student name. Okay, so now you will see the change. It is the last modify query, no display query only. Okay, it means whatever condition, whatever steps I did, all are mentioned here in the overview section, the last step. Now you can see in this you remember or not, I put one condition that marks should be greater and equal to 90. So I am having two entries, 90 and 100. Okay, now I put ascending order, so it is coming in like this. Again I just use the alias function and just change the name of this field. First one, the name of the field was student name. But I just use the alias function, I just change the student name to the name only. Okay, so now you can see the output, it is changed. Okay, so we seen how we can use this function, how we can apply query in both view. Okay, we seen how we can apply conditions also on query, and how we can use query with both view, design and wizard. Design will be one window will be there, you have to choose, you have to go with the options, and in the last you have to click on the final button and your output will be there. But in the wizard view, step by step, total how many steps we have? 8 steps are there. You have to go with the one by one, each step you have to follow, then in the last your output will be created. Okay, so query का यूज हम लोग क्यों कर रहे हैं? फॉर फेचिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम आवर डेटाबेस. ठीक है, अभी हम लोगों ने क्वेरी का यूज़ तो कर लिया हम लोगों ने टेबल बना ली, हम लोगों ने क्वेरी का यूज़ कर लिया. नेक्स्ट वीडियो हमारी होगी एसक्यूएल कमांड्स पे. हम सेपरेट वीडियो इसलिए कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दैट इज़ अ बिग टॉपिक एंड वो हमारे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट भी है, वो टॉपिक हमारे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट भी है. ठीक है, सो इन दिस वे already we cover the table object. Now query object is also covered. We've seen how we can apply query with the both view, design and wizard. We already covered. Okay, in the next video we will see how we can go for the SQL commands, and again one more video will be there for the form and reports. Okay, in this way we will complete this database management system. Thank you.